In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets in Hubspot. Whether you're managing customer interactions or ensuring seamless service requests, Hubspot's ticketing system is an invaluable tool. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily manage your customer service needs. First, you'll want to head to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and simply typing in hubspot.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to log in. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page, click it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. If you're already logged in, you'll be quickly taken to the HubSpot dashboard. Now that you're in your HubSpot account, we need to navigate to the CRM section. This is an essential hub for managing client information and handling different interactions and tasks. On your dashboard's left-hand side, look for the CRM tab and click on it. This is where you'll find all the options related to customer relationship management, including our next stop. Within the CRM section, direct your attention to the ticket section. Click on tickets to access the area where you'll manage all your customer service and support requests. This is a crucial step. The ticket system lets you track customer problems, prioritize tasks, and ensure every issue is addressed in a timely manner. Now it's time to create a new ticket. You'll find a button labeled Create Ticket. Go ahead and click it. This will bring up a form where you can input all the necessary details for your new ticket. Imagine this as laying the foundation of a support case. The more detailed and specific you are, the easier it will be to address and resolve the issue efficiently. In the ticket creation form, you'll be required to add details that define the scope and urgency of the case. Enter the ticket's title, define the pipeline, and fill in any other fields such as ticket owner, contact, company, and priority level. These details ensure that your team has all the information needed to take swift and effective action. Once you've meticulously entered all the details, the final step is to hit the Create button. Clicking Create saves the ticket into the system, making it visible to your team. From there, it can be assigned, worked on, and tracked until resolution. Congratulations, you've just created a ticket in HubSpot. By effectively managing customer tickets, you can improve your service response times and ensure efficient problem solving. Remember to regularly check your tickets tab for updates and keep refining your process for the best results. Thanks for tuning in and happy ticketing.